Want to give your Android phone a fresh new look? In this video, we're counting down the top 8 best launcher apps for Android you need to try. From sleek designs to powerful customization, these launchers offer features that can improve your everyday experience. At number 8, it's Action Launcher, Pixel Edition, with a 4.1-star rating, over 100,000 reviews, and more than 10 million installs. If you love the clean pixel look but want way more control, this launcher delivers. It automatically matches your home screen colors to your wallpaper with Material You style theming, giving your phone a fresh, personalized feel in seconds. Need faster access to your apps? Action Search lets you find apps, files, contacts, or even search the web directly from your home screen. No extra taps, no wasted time. One of the coolest features is widget stacks. Instead of filling your screen with widgets, you can stack multiple widgets together and simply swipe between them. It keeps everything organized without creating clutter. You also get smart gestures, customizable folders, notification dots, icon packs, and lightning-fast app navigation. Even better, if you're switching from another launcher, you can import your existing layout, so you don't have to start from scratch. It's easy to see why millions of Android users keep coming back to Action Launcher. It combines speed, customization, and everyday convenience into one smooth experience. Next, number 7, it's Niagara Launcher, earning a solid 4.5-star rating from over 199,000 reviews and more than 10 million downloads. Instead of filling your screen with endless icons, Niagara Launcher keeps everything clean, simple, and easy to reach. Its one-handed design lets you quickly find apps using a smart alphabetical list, making everyday navigation feel faster and more natural. Love customization? You can change themes, icon packs, wallpapers, fonts, and even enjoy Material You colors that match your wallpaper automatically. It gives your phone a fresh look without feeling overwhelming. Need to stay productive? Built-in calendar and weather widgets, pop-up folders, customizable gestures, and powerful search tools help you get things done with fewer taps. You can even read and reply to notifications directly from the home screen on supported devices. What really makes Niagara Launcher stand out is its focus on digital well-being. Features like notification summaries, app hiding, and gentle screen time reminders help reduce distractions, so you can stay focused throughout the day. It's also ad-free in the free version, receives regular updates, and includes backup and restore options when switching to a new phone. Number 6, we have CMM Launcher, earning a solid 4.5-star rating from over 233,000 reviews, with more than 10 million downloads. What makes it stand out? It keeps your home screen clean, organized, and easy to use. The smart app sorting helps you find what you need faster, while the customizable layouts let you create a setup that matches your style. You also get handy gestures, quick search for apps and contacts, and privacy features like hiding apps and adding extra protection where supported. Plus, it stays lightweight, so your phone can feel smooth without taking up much storage. If you enjoy changing your phone's look, you'll find plenty of themes, wallpapers, and visual effects to personalize your device without making things complicated. Whether you're upgrading an older Android phone or simply want a cleaner, faster home screen, CMM Launcher delivers a polished experience that's easy to use every day. Now, number 5, we have Smart Launcher 6, one of the smartest ways to completely transform your Android experience. With an impressive 4.6-star rating, over 648,000 reviews, and more than 50 million downloads, it's easy to see why so many users love it. The first thing you'll notice is how automatically it organizes your apps into neat categories. No more endless scrolling through messy screens trying to find what you need. Everything stays clean, simple, and easy to access. It also gives your home screen a fresh, personalized look. The colors automatically match your wallpaper, and you can customize almost everything, from icon packs to fonts, creating a setup that feels uniquely yours. One of its best features is the one-handed design. Your most used apps and shortcuts stay within thumb's reach, making everyday navigation faster and more comfortable. Need quick access to something? The built-in search helps you instantly find apps, contacts, web results, or even perform quick calculations without switching between multiple apps. You'll also get useful built-in widgets for weather, calendar, music, battery, notes, and more, keeping important information right on your home screen. If you want an Android launcher that's clean, customizable, and designed to make your phone faster and easier to use, Smart Launcher 6 is definitely worth checking out. At number 4, Microsoft Launcher might be exactly what you're missing. With a 4.6-star rating, over 1 million user reviews, and 50 million plus downloads, Microsoft Launcher has earned its spot among the best Android launchers. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and customizable everything feels. You can change icon packs, use simple swipe gestures, apply a beautiful new wallpaper every day, and make your phone feel truly yours. But here's what really makes it different. This launcher isn't just about looks, it's designed to help you stay organized. You can quickly check your calendar, view your to-do list, access sticky notes, and keep important information just a swipe away. If you already use Microsoft apps, everything works together smoothly. Getting a new phone? No problem. The backup and restore feature lets you bring your home screen setup with you in just a few steps. And if you like using dark mode, it blends perfectly with Android for a comfortable viewing experience. Number 3. It's Nova Launcher, Home Screen. With a 4.3-star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 100 million installs, it's one of Android's most trusted launcher apps. Nova Launcher gives you complete control over how your phone looks and feels. Change icon packs, adjust icon shapes and sizes, customize your app drawer, and build a layout that fits your style instead of settling for the default. One standout feature is subgrid positioning, letting you place icons and widgets with incredible precision for a clean, polished setup. You also get powerful search tools that quickly find apps, contacts, calculations, and even package tracking from one place. Love switching phones? Nova's backup and restore feature makes moving your entire home screen setup fast and simple. If you upgrade to Nova Launcher Prime, you unlock extra productivity features like custom gestures, app drawer folders, hidden apps, and even more personalization options. Whether you want a sleek minimalist design or a fully customized Android experience, Nova Launcher delivers smooth performance without making your phone feel complicated. Think your Android feels slow? At number 2, this launcher could make it feel surprisingly fresh in seconds. Meet iOS Launcher, fast rated 4.3 stars with over 500 million downloads. It's built for people who want a cleaner, faster home screen without making things complicated. iOS keeps navigation smooth and lightweight, helping your phone feel more responsive. The Zero screen brings trending news and popular games together in one place, so quick updates are always within reach. Smart Scene can recommend trending music, while the Discovery section highlights fresh wallpapers and popular apps to personalize your device. You also get handy extras like font previews, theme options, and app freezing to keep your home screen organized. With over 774,000 reviews, many users enjoy how easy it is to customize their phone while keeping everything simple and fast. It's a practical choice if you like a fresh look without spending hours changing settings. Would you try iOS Launcher fast on your Android? Follow for more app rankings and discover your next favorite download. At number 1, we have XOS Launcher, cool stylish. With a 4.3-star rating and over 500 million installs, it's already a favorite for millions of Android users. What makes XOS Launcher stand out? It's built to give your phone a cleaner, more personalized experience without making things complicated. You can customize themes, icons, wallpapers, and even fonts to match your style in just a few taps. One feature many users enjoy is the zero screen, where you can quickly check trending news, discover games, and access useful content without opening multiple apps. It also includes Smart Scene, which recommends popular music and updates based on current trends. Need even more customization? XOS comes with handy extras like theme options, font previews, app freezing tools, and more, helping you organize your phone the way you like it. While some advanced features work best on compatible devices, the launcher still offers plenty of ways to refresh your Android experience with a modern, colorful design. If you're looking for a launcher that's stylish, customizable, and packed with useful extras, XOS Launcher is definitely worth checking out. That wraps up our top 8 Android launcher picks. Which one would you install first? Share your favorite in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more helpful Android recommendations.